A person sells 36 oranges per rupee and suffers a loss of 4%. Find how many oranges per rupee should be sold to make a gain of 8%. So this person is selling 36 oranges per rupee and is suffering a loss of 4%. So what this implies is that he is definitely selling more oranges per rupee than what he bought it for. That is why he's making a loss. So his cost price itself would be something where he bought less than 36 oranges per rupee. And now he wants to make a gain of 8%. That means he needs to sell even lesser oranges than his cost price per rupee to make a gain of 8%. So in this case, let's first find his cost price with this information given, and then we'll add a 8% profit to it to find out what his new selling price should be. Now the selling price has been given as 36 oranges per rupee. So let's first convert this expression into a form where we can find the price of one orange. So selling price is given as 36 oranges per rupee. So that means 36 oranges is for 1 rupee. This is orange. So 1 orange is for, say, X rupees. So we'll do a cross multiplication here. So X multiplied by 36 is equal to 1. 1 multiplied by 1. So X is equal to 1 by 36 rupees. So this is the selling price per orange. So we know the selling price per orange, and we know that this person is making a loss of 4% with this selling price. So let's try to find the cost price. So we know that loss is equal to cost price minus the selling price, because cost price is larger than the selling price in case you're making a loss. So 4% of cost price is equal to cost price minus the selling price, which is 1 by 36. So this is 4 by 100. CP is equal to CP minus 1 by 36. So let's bring this over here and this over here. 1 by 36 is equal to CP minus 0.04 times CP, or 1 by 36 is equal to 0.96 times CP, and this implies that CP is equal to 1 divided by 0.96 multiplied by 36. So let me pull the calculator. So 0.96 multiplied by 36, and this is equal to 34.56. So this is equal to 1 by 34.56. Now I am leaving it as this expression. I'm not dividing 1 by 34.56 to find the decimal points, because as you keep on doing the calculations and as you keep on truncating the decimal numbers, it becomes very inaccurate. So for example, if I divide 1 by 34.56 and suppose it comes to 0.02895626521, and I can't use this as my calculation, so I'll truncate it here, so it becomes 0.028, or if I make it 9, still this part will be missing, so the calculation becomes inaccurate at the end. So I'll just leave it like this here. So our cost price is equal to 1 divided by 34.56. Now we want to make a profit of 8% on top of this. So our selling price will be equal to, so let's consider this as 100%, and we want to add 8% to it. So this becomes 1.08 multiplied by 1 divided by 34.56. So this means 1.08 means that we are adding an 8% on top of this. So this is equal to 1.08 divided by 34.56. So this is the selling price for one orange. So this is per orange. This many rupees per orange. Now we want to find out the selling price per rupee. So selling price in the sense we want to find out how many oranges should he be selling per rupee to make a profit of 8%. So let's find that out. So the price is 1.08 divided by 34.56 for one orange. So for 1 rupee, how many oranges? Now let's do a cross multiplication. So x multiplied by 1.08 divided by 34.56 is equal to 1, or x is equal to, so we take this on the other side, 34.56 divided by 1.08. So let me pull my calculator here. So we have 34.56 divided by 1.08, and this is equal to 32. So this is equal to 32 oranges. So this is our selling price. So in other terms, he has to sell 32 oranges per rupee to make a profit of 8% on his cost price.